And there it is. Today we're talking about safety. Safety comes first. Safety comes first. This is your boy, Coby, with Solo Sail Away. Now, picture this. You is cruising, having a good time by yourself. You can be at a port, enjoying the nice ocean breeze, enjoying the sun, and it can be very nice, poetic. You enjoy yourself. But what is some of the things you're going to have to remember? That's right. Exercise precaution and be proactive in ensuring that you're safe. Let's start with some of the basics. Always have a plan in place. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the ship. Know where the emergency exits are located and keep important contact information handy. Trust me, a little preparation goes a long ways in keeping you secure. Now, on to staying aware of your surroundings. While you are mingling, laughing, enjoying the magic of the ocean, remember to remain vigilant. Keep an eye on your belongings. Avoid isolated areas and be mindful of who you interact with on board. Your gut feeling is your best ally. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Trust your instinct. And don't forget about health and hygiene, handshaking, and adhere to the safety protocols outlined by the cruise line. Your well being matters, and it should be very important to you while you're on your Voyager. Now, let's talk about experiences, but setting boundaries. It is your cruise, and you should embrace it at your own terms. Respect your own comfort levels and know when to say no. Know when to say no, dealing with activities or even interaction with other people. If it does not set right with you, then don't do it. So, there you have it. This is just a friendly reminder of being safe and staying safe while on board your cruise ship. This is Coby with Solo Sail Away. And there it is. Peace.